Question number 17. A word problem. The width of a rectangle is 2 feet greater than thrice its length. 3 times, of course. The area of the rectangle is 85 square feet. What is the length of the rectangle in feet? Okay, so let's just draw a rectangle here. Let's say that this is the length and this is the width. And the width is 2 feet greater than thrice its length. So let's say that the length is L and the width is 3L plus 2, because the width is 2 feet greater than thrice the length. So 3 times the length. And we know that the area of the rectangle is 85 square feet. Okay, so how can we arrange an equation here? Well, we know that the area of a rectangle is given by the width times the length. And the area is 85 square feet. Now, the width is 3 times L plus 2, and we're multiplying that by L. So width times the length. Now I can distribute the L. 3L times L, 3L squared. 2 times L, 2L. We have 85 on the left-hand side of the equation, but I want to bring it over to the right-hand side. Okay, just to make it equal to 0. So we have 0 equals, now the minus 85 over there, and 3L squared plus 2L minus 85. Okay, now at this point, we can use the quadratic formula to solve for L. So we have A, B, and C. A is 3, B is 2, and C is negative 85. Okay, so let's plug everything into the quadratic formula. And that way we can find the length of the rectangle. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now let me start plugging things in. So b is 2, a is 3, and c is negative 85. Okay, so simplifying, we got negative 2 plus or minus. 2 squared is 4. Now we have negative 85 times 3 times 4. And I'm going to need my calculator to do that, because my mental math today just isn't that strong. So 4 times 3 times 85 is 1,020. All over 2 times 3. And note that it's plus because we have negative, negative, thereby making it a plus. Down below we have 2 times 3, 6. So negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 1,020, which is 1,024, all over 6. Now, what is the root of 1,024? It's just 32. And by that I meant the square root. The square root of 1,024 is just 32. Okay, so we have two answers. The first one, negative 2 plus 32, which is 30, divided by 6, 5. The next answer, negative 2 minus 32 over 6. I'm actually not interested in that answer, and you know why? Because it's negative. And we can't have negative length. So 5 is the answer. And we know that the length of the rectangle is 5 feet. That's all.